Hey, this is Zach Davis 97, and I'm going to show you how to change a flint in a Zippo lighter. Alright, I'm going to set the camera up. Whoops. Photo just fell. This part's so annoying. Alright. So with the lighter, I'll just get my chair and I'll sit down. With the lighter, it's like that. And I'm gonna wanna take that out. And at the bottom there's a little screw. And you get a screwdriver and unscrew it. If you don't have a screwdriver, just use the top of the lid. Just like that. Just unscrew it. Gonna pop out soon. There we go. That's the little screw piece. Can't really see it. Damn it. That's the screw piece. And there's a little spring. And inside that spring is supposed to be that. Just in there. I think it's supposed to be sitting there just like that, but mine fell out and I don't know how it goes. Alright, then you're going to want to get your flint, and your flint's that. That's what your flint is. This will last you probably around, I don't know, 3 to 7 years, I reckon. And like, I reckon it's probably an inch, not even that. But actually, yeah, it's 1 centimeter. And anyway, there's like a shiny side and a darker side. You're going to want to put the darker side in face down. So the darker side's, so that's the darker side. You're going to want to put that in. So that just goes in. Then you get this. But if you don't have this, it's going to be in your spring. So you just put your spring in. I have to put this in first because mine's not in my spring, actually. Just put it in now. Get it like that. Put the spring in. Then that's as far as the spring goes because it's a flint. Then you push that in. You're going to want to push down fairly hard. And when I push it down, you're going to want to twist it. And just like be careful because it's going to pop back at you. And so twist it. Then you screw it in. And then you're going to want to test it out, see if it works. And I want to put it back in, close it, and then the flint works. And it lights. Alright. So that was it. That's how to replace the flint into the Zippo lighter. And yeah, that's it. And I'll just try to make sparks. So those sparks are from the flint. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. Rock on, Zach.